Hi everyone. All right, have you ever come in from outside or caught a glimpse of yourself in the car with your shades up like this and thought, oh my gosh, my hair looks super cute like that. I wish that there was a headband where I could create that same look. I don't know about you, but sometimes just the regular curved headbands after a while give me a headache. Well, I saw an ad probably on Instagram somewhere about Zazzy Bandz. So I just took these out of the package, and they are curved like your sunglasses are. So let's see how they hold. I bought two different kinds. I got the regular, and then they have another one that's called like a slimline. So let me show you what these look like. So the slimline is just a little thinner. They are about, they're pretty much the same size. So if you look at the sides here, this one's just a little bit thinner. So I got the regular, and then this is called the slimline. Pretty sure that's what it's called. Okay, so let's see if these look as cool and feel as comfortable on my head as my sunglasses do. So I'm gonna take my sunglasses off, and let's do, oh, look at that. Actually, I gotta tell you, I was pretty skeptical about this product. So when you see the ad on Instagram, the models that they have showing off this product have way thicker hair than I do. So for those of you that have seen my videos before, looks can be deceiving. I have a lot of hair, but it's fine. I have fine baby kind of hair. I just happen to have a lot of it. So this really actually feels very comfortable behind my ears. I don't feel any tightness. You know, sometimes in a curved headband, you get that tightness on your head. And frankly, I have no tightness. This feels very comfortable, like I could wear it for an entire day, which never happens with a regular headband. By noonish, I'm taking it out. So, wow. All right, this feels really good. It's called Zazzy Bandz. Here's the logo. I originally saw it on Instagram. I probably bought this. I can't remember where I actually bought it from, but I'm sure you can pick it up on Amazon as well. Pretty sure it's around the $15 mark for the Zazzy Band. Pretty sure it's what I paid. I think I had a coupon, so I ended up paying, I believe, somewhere around 20 bucks for both of these. So let's see if the slimline works as well. Okay, so here's what's interesting. So the slimline feels the same, no difference there. But I have to say, I think this one, for some reason, sets a little better on my head. Than that one does. But I gotta tell you, this one sits a little bit better. This one's still pretty good as well. So I have to say, this Zazzy Band, fantastic product. So definitely a thumbs up for me. Now as a bonus, I wanna show you one other hair thing I got because it just came in the mail. So I wanna show you what this does. I honestly cannot remember the name of it, so I'm sorry. But here's what it looks like. And it has this hole in the middle, and there's some wire built in. So you guys might have seen some of these on the internet as well. And the point is to be able to put your hair, so I'll show you what this does. It's supposed to create a cute, so I'm pulling my hair through the circle in the back, and now I'm going to bring it down, and I'm going to curve it up. Maybe I can turn around and show it to you that way too. And then I'm going to crisscross it across the back. And let's see how that looks. I'm probably too close to the camera. How's that look, guys? Pretty cute? Huh, that's pretty nifty. All right, these were a little bit less expensive, as you can probably imagine. But that's a cute little easy way to put your hair up if you want to throw it up really quickly in a cute little do. Turn around, show that to you again. All right. Well, I can't believe it. I will try to post in the comments where I got this headband as well. And I also picked one up in white. So I got, this one's called green. This one is just a white one that I still have in the package. So two cute hair accessories that are a plus. So as you guys know, again, I have thin hair, so this is even working in my hair, so I'll bet it would look even better with some of my gal pals out there that have way better hair than I do. So, all right, Zazzy Bandz, and then whatever this is called, I'll try to post it as well so you guys know. I probably paid closer to like 10 bucks for probably that one. And all right, cute hair accessories. You just can't go wrong there. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys next time.